Hi, welcome back to my channel Chal Chakra. Hope you are doing great. In this video, I'm going to share the impact of Saturn transit into the Pisces on each moon sign, how it is going to impact us at the country level. So Saturn sit in one zodiac sign for 2.5 years. Right now, it is sitting in the Aquarius, and from 29th of March, it is going to move into the Pisces. So Saturn is going to sit in the Pisces for 2.5 years. Pisces is connected to the water element. So it has been noticed that for coming 2.5 years at the emotion level, people are going to face lot of ups and downs. Along with that, the countries or the state or the cities which are nearby water bodies, they need to be little bit conscious during this time. This will not be so great time health wise people need to be more conscious, as Pisces is ruled by the Jupiter, which is connected to your overall life, luck wise, and the married life. So marriage wise and the love relationship wise also native may face a problem during this time. For the people who are into the politics, they may face a major problem during this time. So now I'm going to share you how it is going to impact each moon sign and what all remedies you should do to overcome the challenges. I have already shared the prediction, the detailed prediction about the moon sign who for whom the Shani ki Sade Sati and the Dhaiya phase is going to start. You can check, you can go on the playlist and you can check from there. If you have subscribed my channel, thank you so much. If you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe it so that you are getting the daily notifications from us on the videos that we start with a prediction on each moon sign. You need to understand that how Shani works. So Shani is a malefic planet, and Shani is whenever Shani enter in our life in the form of Shani ki Sade Sati, Dhaiya, Shani ki Mahadasha, Antardasha, or any type of transit, such transit take place. So Shani is a planet that gives you the result as per your karma. Like whatever you have done in the past life and whatever you have done in this life will get accumulated. On the basis of that, you are going to get the result. So you need not to fear from Shani. You need to understand that whatever the results you are going to get during the Shani Dasha, it is as per what you have done in the past, because Shani is all about karma. What you will do will come back to you. So whenever Shani enters in our life, so there are few messages that you get from Shani is that you need to be in discipline, be organized, follow integrity, and try to just focus on the hard work, not on the output and the end results. So now, how the Saturn transit in the Pisces impact? How will be it is going to impact for the Aries moon sign people? So for the Aries moon sign people, you are going to enter into Shani ki Sade Sati first phase. The detailed prediction about Shani ki Sade Sati first phase for the Aries people has already been shared. You can go on the playlist and from there you can check it. So for Aries people, you are going to enter into the first phase of Shani ki Sade Sati. The first phase of Shani ki Sade Sati, you are going to see lot of changes career wise. There is a very high possibility in the first phase of Shani ki Sade Sati. There is a possibility of a change of a job, and this particular change will be good for you. But this will not be so great time for the people who are already married. Marriage wise, they may face ups and downs. If you are stuck in any, if you are already in a toxic relationship, there is a high possibility you will move on in your life. There is a possibility of a breakup and the divorce too. This will be a time where you need to take care of your child health a lot. Career wise, this is a good time. Finance will come to you, money will come to you, but there will be the increase in the expenditure also. So you need to keep an eye on your expenditure also. To overcome the challenges and to nullify the negative effect of the Shani, make sure for 2.5 years daily you are lighting up, daily you are chanting Hanuman Chalisa at least 3 times. Along with that, every Saturday you have to light up a mustard oil lamp near the peepal tree after the sunset. If you don't have a peepal tree nearby, then make sure near your main gate you have to light up a mustard oil lamp every Saturday. This will help you out to remove the negative effect of the Shani. Along with this, if possible, then try to donate cooked food to the needy every Saturday. This will also help you. Taurus native, this will be a very great time for you. Saturn is ready to give you the blessings. This is a time for the manifestation. Whatever you will ask from the universe, all your wishes will come true. But you need to understand that whenever Saturn gives you the success, whatever the success you get through Saturn, it is through your hard work. This is a time where whatever the hard work you are going to do, your hard work will start it paying off. Career wise, it's a good time. If you are looking for a job change, there is a very high possibility you will be able to change your job successfully. If you're into a business, you are going to see a financial growth and the new opportunities into your business. This is a time, this is a golden period for you. So try to complete all your pending tasks during this time. This is actually a great time career wise and overall life. So to overcome the challenges and to enhance your luck more, try to visit Lord Hanuman temple every Tuesday and Saturday. Keep on taking the blessings of Lord Hanuman. It will help you out to enhance your luck more. Wish you all the best for coming Gemini moon sign. This particular 2.5 years, the result of the Saturn transit into the Pisces will be mixed for you. This is a time where you are going to see sudden things happening in your career. Sometimes suddenly you are going to get growth in your career, but suddenly you may face problem and the obstacles in your career too. It has been noticed maybe Saturn is going to put more pressure on you to do hard work. If during this time, don't take your career for granted. If you are going to take your career for granted during this time, then you are going to face more problem career wise. There is a high possibility of a change of a place. There is a high possibility of a change of a job also during this time. This is a time where it is advisable that you should not rely on the luck, rather than try to put more hard work, because this time luck will not be your side. But yeah, as much as hard work you are going to put, you are going to get the positive results. This is a time where you need to take care of your health also, but this is a great time for the traveling. There is a high possibility you are going to travel more during this time. To overcome the challenges, make sure that you are chanting Ram at least 24 minutes daily. This will help you out to overcome Cancer moon sign. So the Saturn transit in the Pisces, the detailed video about the Cancer moon sign has already been shared. You can go on the playlist and you can check it from there. So the transit of the Saturn into the Pisces will be a great transit for you career wise. You are going to see improvement. There is a very high possibility of a change of a place and the change of a career also during this time. If you are into a business, there is a high possibility of starting something new. There is a possibility of a change of a stream also during this time. This is a time where your Shani ki Dhaiya phase is going to over. You have already struggled a lot in your life since last 2.5 years. You must have noticed a lot of ups and downs in your life. But from now, you are going to see a lot of improvement in your life. For the singles, there is a good news. There is a high possibility you are going to get married in this coming 2.5 years. But you need to take care of your father's health during this time, because the planetary are aligned in such a way that can impact your father's health. For that part, you need to be a little bit conscious. To overcome the challenges, make sure that every Saturday you are donating cooked food to the needy. This will help you out to overcome the challenges that you may face. Moon sign, the detailed video about the Leo moon sign has already been shared. You can just go on playlist and you can check it from there. So for the Leo moon sign, for you, Shani is going to sit in your 8th house, and for you, the Dhaiya is going to start. So Shani ki Dhaiya phase will not be so great for you. You may face a problem in your career, ups and downs in your career. You may get a lot of pressure in your career related to the work, more responsibility on you. But make sure that you are not taking any decision related to your career, because this is not a good time to take any risk in your career, because there may be the possibility of losing the job also during this time. If you are into a business, then try to avoid doing any type of investment during this time. You should try to go with the flow. This will not be so great time health wise as well as relationship wise. You need to be conscious. To overcome the challenges, make sure that every Tuesday and Saturday you are visiting to the Lord Hanuman temple and try to offer Lord Hanuman red flower. Along with this, try to donate cooked food to the needy every Saturday, and if possible, then try to donate blue color cloth every Saturday throughout this 2.5 years. This will also help you out to overcome the challenge. Virgo, for you, Saturn transit into the Pisces will be an average result for you. You may feel a pressure in your job and career. Try to avoid taking any type of risk in your career. There is a very high possibility of a change of a job and a change of a place also during this time. Good news for the people who are single and looking to get married, then there is a very high possibility in this 2.5 years you're going to get married. But who are already in the relationship or who are already married, for them this will not be so great time. To overcome the challenges, make sure that you are chanting Hanuman Chalisa and you are offering cooked food to the needy every Saturday. This Libra, for you, Saturn transit into the Pisces is a great transit for you. You're going to see a lot of improvement in your life, a lot of positivity will come in your life. There is a very high possibility that you will be able to overcome the challenges which you were facing since long. This is a great time career wise. If you're looking to start a new business, this is a great time. Start something new. Health wise, also, you're going to see the improvement, and overall, you are going to see that whatever the pending task you have, if you try to complete during this time, it will be completed successfully. Overall, this will be a great time for you. I can say this is a golden period for you. So whenever such type of alignment come in your life, then make sure to try to put more hard work, because Saturn always give you the result as per your heart, as per the hard work. So if you feel lazy, then try to overcome it. If you're into a comfort zone, try to overcome it. Try to be more organized, try to more in discipline, then you will be able to enjoy this transit in a very positive way. To overcome the challenges, make sure that you are donating cooked food to the needy every Saturday. This will help Scorpio you moon sign, this particular transit of Saturn will be average for you. Anyhow, now your Shani ki Dhaiya phase is going to complete, but now you are going to enter into the fifth house that is connected to your past life karma. So I can't say that things are going to become best for you, but yeah, the struggles, you gradually and slowly you will be able to overcome the struggles, but time will not be so great, as now your fifth house will be activated. So it is sometimes it is called as a panoti also. So the result will not be so great. Make sure that you are not taking any risk in your career. This is a great time for the people who are looking to conceive the child. There is a high possibility you will be able to conceive successfully. This is a great time for the people who are single and looking to get married. Then there is a high possibility they will be going to get married during this time. But strangely related to the career and the finances, avoid taking any risk during this time, and you need don't take your career or job or business for granted. To overcome the challenges, make sure you are chanting Hanuman Chalisa daily at least one time throughout 2.5 Sagittarius, years. For you, Shani ki Dhaiya phase again going to start from 29th of March. So this particular phase will not be so great. Health wise, you need to be a little bit conscious, and this is not so great time. Avoid taking any risk in your career during this time. This is a time where you need to put more hard work to get the success. To overcome the challenges, make sure you are chanting Hanuman Chalisa, and detailed prediction about the Sagittarius moon sign has already been shared. You can go and check the Capricorn, this is a great time for you. You have already struggled a lot in your life. Since last 7.5 years, you were going through Shani ki Sade Sati phase. During that phase, you must have taken a lot of learning from Shani. And now from 29th of March, your Shani ki Sarasati phase is going to complete. And now you are going to see a lot of financial growth. Career wise, you are going to see the growth. If you're single, there is a high possibility you are going to get married during this time, this particular phase of 2.5 years. Health wise, also, you are going to see a lot of improvement. This is a time where whatever struggles and the obstacles you have seen in last 7.5 years, now it is going to pay off. But again, whatever learnings you have taken in this particular 7.5 years, make sure that you are not repeating the same mistake. Then Shani is ready to give you the blessings. Now you are going to see a lot of career growth. Finances wise, you are going to see the growth. This is actually a golden period for you. So enjoy it and do hard work so that you started getting the results, because always remember that Shani always give you the good result on the basis of the hard work which you put. So you can rely on the luck. Overall, this will be a great time for you. To enhance more your luck, make sure you're feeding animals daily. Aquarius, now you are going to enter into the third phase of Shani ki Sarasati. So this third phase of Shani ki Sarasati will not be so great. Health wise, you need to take care of your health. Career wise, gradually and slowly you are going to see the improvement, but try to go with the flow. Avoid taking any risk in your career, and make sure that if you are into a business, make sure you are not taking any major you are not making any major investment in the business during this time. Be conscious in your relationship, love relationship, as well as its marriage wise. Make sure that every Saturday you are offering cooked food to the needy. This will help you out to overcome the challenges which you may face because of the Saturn. The detailed prediction of the Saturn third about the Saturn transit into the Pisces, and the third phase for you has already been shared. You can check the for Pisces. Now you are going to enter into the second phase of Shani ki Sarasati. The detailed prediction of the Pisces moon sign people has already been shared. From there you can check from the playlist. So for the Pisces people, now you are going to enter into the second phase of Shani ki Sarasati. You must have seen a lot of changes in the first phase of Shani ki Sarasati. So in the second phase, you need to be a little bit conscious. Try to go with the flow. Avoid taking any major risk in your career. And you need to take care of your domestic life too, family life, love relationship, and health wise also you need to be a little bit conscious. To overcome the challenges, make sure that you're offering cooked food to the needy every Saturday, and you're chanting Hanuman Chalisa also. If you don't know your moon sign or you don't know your zodiac sign, then you have to make sure that every Saturday you are donating cooked food to the needy and try to chant Hanuman Chalisa. This will help you out to decrease the intensity of the problem which you may face because of the Saturn. Still, you have any question related to this transit, you can ask me in the comments. I will be happy to answer that. Thank you and have a great day ahead.